I'm down to try pretty much anything once. It comes looking like this. It almost looks like you just bought some Skims or something. Like, this is my bodysuit, guys. Oh, it's very soft. It's got 2 pieces of Velcro here. Boink and boink. These little holes look like they're for my ears. Let's do it. I'm gonna just take it by the ear holes. Place it on my chin. Fit it around my ear holes. Oh, that feels so comfy. Okay. And then we're gonna wrap this part. It's like wearing a corset for your face. How do I look? Do I look like I'm doing beauty stuff? Very comfortable. I'm definitely not uncomfortable. I probably would put my hair in a ponytail next time so that I could have this area more flush to my head. But no, this is great. So the idea would be that I wear this for about 5 minutes to an hour while I'm watching TV, doing chores, doing the dishes, and it's supposed to help with a double chin. It's supposed to help with my skin firming and lifting in general, wrinkles on the forehead. I don't know, anything doesn't work until I've tried it. So I imagine you have to be very consistent about this every day, wearing it a certain amount of time. Thank you guys for sending me this. I really hope it improves my, face in some way, or at the very least, it's cozy and I could wear it like in the wintertime if I was cold on my chin.